Namaste. Hamisha Khusro. Myself, Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In previous session, we discussed about hanging, judicial hanging, smothering, suffocation. In today's session, we'll discuss hyoid brain fractures and further about mechanical asphyxia and other reasons of mechanical asphyxia. In hyoid bone fracture, there is invert fracture or anterior posterior fracture or avulsion fracture. Invert fracture. Seen in throttling, main force is an inward compression of the hyoid bone. Finger squeezes the greater thorns towards each other, due to which the bone may be fractured and post fragment displaces inward. Anterior posterior compression fracture. In case of hanging, the hyoid bone is forced directly backward, due to which the divergence of greater horns is increased, which may fracture with outward displacement of the posterior small fragment. Ligature strangulations, runovers in case of accidents. Avulsion fracture. It is very rare and is due to the overactivity of neck muscles without direct action of or injury to the hyoid bone. Incidence is common in hanging, 15 to 20% above 40 years age. Very common in throttling. Diagnosis of throttling. Cutaneous bruising and abrasions, extensive bruising with or without rupture of the neck muscles, engorgement at above the constriction, fracture of larynx, thyroid cartilage and hyoid bones, cricoid almost exclusively fractured in case of throttling, asphyxial signs. Throttling when done with right hand, standing in front of victim, thumb impression will be found on the upper part of the right side of neck, and impression of four fingers will be found on the left side. These marks are due to bruise or contusion. Recent shaped marks produced by fingernails, marks on the left side may not be visibly discrete and may be clustered. These findings may be reversed where left hand is used. In case where both hands are used, there will be several marks on the neck. Symptoms of throttling. Bruises may be found on neck, dysphagia, hoarseness. There may be bruises and abrasions around mouth, nose, cheek, forehead, lower jaw, and other parts of body. In case where struggle is much, there may be fracture of ribs with extravasation of blood in chest cavity. Treatment in case of strangulation. Cases of strangulations hardly need any treatment as most cases are homicidal. But when necessary, the following treatment should be done. Remove the constriction around the neck. Immediately, victim is resuscitated with oxygen supply. Cold fomentation over head and hot bottles to extremities are applied. Venesection with transfusion, if necessary, should be given. Diffusible stimulants by mouth provided he can swallow or by injection can be life-saving. Prognosis is favorable if there is no evidence of any other injury to neck and treatment is started within 5 minutes. Choking. Obstruction within the air passage. It is usually accidental due to inhalation of food when the victim is laughing or crying. Vomited material may be inhaled by the person under the influence of drink or anesthetic drugs. Large food bolus, piece of meat, seeds, or fish, teeth, marbles in children can be swallowed. From diseases like diphtheria, laryngeal edema, bronchial growth, hemorrhages may cause choking. Cause of death is asphyxia, vagal inhibition, laryngeal spasm, or infection. Cafe coronary. Infection of food in the sensitive larynx causes sudden death due to the cardiac arrest. Healthy, intoxicated person in hotel while eating suddenly turns blue, coughs, violently collapses and dies. It can be due to cafe coronary. At autopsy, a large food bolus seen in the respiratory tract, larynx obstructing air passage. Signs of choking are absent because of high blood alcohol, which inhibits the gag reflex. Postmortem appearance: the foreign body is embedded in a thick mucus in trachea. Traumatic asphyxia: it is due to the respiratory arrest due to mechanical fixation of chest so that the respiratory movement are prevented. For example, stampede in a theater or in places where crowded gatherings are there. Fall of earth, coal mines, tunneling, accidents, etc. Postmortem appearances: an intense deep purple red color of the head, neck, and upper part of the chest above the level of constriction. Sexual asphyxia: partial asphyxia causes cerebral disturbances with feeling of sexual gratification. Pressure on carotid or trachea leads to hallucination of an erotic nature associated with masochism and transvestism. Usually can be seen in young males. The place is victim's own house, bed, or bathroom. Ligature: a running noose, the free end of the which is tied in to limbs. Weight of the body is used to control the ligature. It is due to the retrograde displacement of blood from superior vena cava into subclavian veins of the head and neck due to sudden compression of the chest. Blood does not enter the upper limbs due to the valves. Neck or pornographic literatures may be found around. Blood goes into the valve, less veins of the head and neck causing stasis and engorgement of the vessels and rupture of the distal venues and capillaries causing facial hemorrhages. If patient survives, purple color gradually disappears within 14 to 15 days. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. If you are hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.